Hello and good day, and this is my review on this underneath sink shelf. Okay, so we're talking about this thing here. So the reason I wanted this was because I have a lot of stuff underneath my sink and I wanted basically more storage but still underneath the sink. So that's the reason why I got the shelf here. So with this in particular, what I love about it is that this underneath part actually slides out, making it easily accessible to access the things in the back, and then it simply just slides back in. So if you actually think about the area, the surface area of the entire sink, it's not that it adds more room from this bottom shelf. What's actually key is this top shelf here in which you can place stuff on top. So what I have realized though is that with some sinks, they have like a drop-in sink here, which makes it hard for this shelf in particular to fit underneath. So just be wary about that. Make sure that your sink in particular, make sure it doesn't have a big curvature here, which makes it hard for this shelf to fit in, because if it does have that big underneath drop-in sink, it's going to be hard for the shelf to fit in. Therefore, you wouldn't be able to input items on top, and if anything, it's going to be very small items. So overall, it does come with some side hooks that you see here. It comes with even a sponge holder, so I don't really use a sponge holder, but again, slides in and out very easily. This probably took around maybe 5 minutes to assemble, and it comes with 2 shelves, which is really neat. I plan on putting another shelf on the right hand side there, but overall very easy to assemble. I'm very pleased with it overall.